Struggling to transfer your Blueyonder email in Outlook? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to move your Blueyonder email to Outlook in just a few easy steps without losing any data. Let's get started. First, we need to download the BitRecover Email Backup Wizard tool. To download the software, check the link provided in the video description. Once downloaded, install the BitRecover Email Backup Wizard on your system and launch the tool. First, select IMAP as the email source. After that, enter your Blueyonder email address and password in the respective fields. If you want to back up multiple email accounts at once, enable the Use Batch Mode option. To connect through a proxy server, check the Use Proxy option and provide the required proxy details. Next, enter the IMAP host value for your Blueyonder account. The IMAP port number is set to 993 by default, which is the standard secure IMAP port. After entering all the required details, click the Login button to connect your Blueyonder account to the software. Now, choose the mailbox folders that you want to transfer from Blueyonder to Outlook. Then, select PST as the output format, which is the native file format supported by Outlook. You can also use the Split PST option to divide the output PST file into smaller sizes as needed. If needed, you can change the software language using the Change Language drop-down menu. Click the Change button to select the destination location where you want to save the PST file. You may also check or uncheck the incremental backup option according to your requirements. Once everything is configured, click the Backup button to begin backupping your Blueyonder emails. The software will now start the backup process. If required, you can pause the operation by clicking the Stop button. Once the backup process is complete, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. Click OK to proceed. You will find the resultant PST file at the selected destination. Open Microsoft Outlook and use the Import/Export wizard to import the PST file and access your Blueyonder emails in Outlook. And that's it. Thank you for watching.